Hey y'all, come on in. Let's see what's happening in today's vlog. Hodgepodge, a jumbled up mess. Hi guys. Kind of a long time, no actual see. So, let me explain what's going on today. Last night, we blew a breaker. And that means that only a very small portion of our camper has power. So we're headed to Home Depot to get 20 amp and 30 amp breakers so that we can hopefully fix the problem. So, see you at Home Depot. So we stopped to look at a car and now we're having lunch. Since we moved to the country, we rarely eat fast food now. So I think I'm losing a little bit of weight.
Oh, yeah.
Just because we're not eating quite as much processed junk. Today I wanted Burger King. I never ask for Burger King because I typically don't like it, but they have chicken fries. So that's what I'm eating today. And then we're going to go to Home Depot. Then we're going to go pass back by the car lot. See what we can work out with that. So I'm having a bad eye day. That's why I don't look like I'm looking at you guys. And I apologize. It kind of creeps people out. But since my retina tear, I have cataracts worsening in my quote-unquote good eye, which is this one. But I noticed that I rely on my left eye for depth issues. So, yes, I should have cataract surgery. No, I am not going to let them touch me just yet. So, time to eat. Hi, again. We're at Home Depot. Duh. Can you tell? Anyway, so as you guys know, I put down laminate flooring in the camper and it's not staying glued, so we're going to just rip it up and we're going to put in peel and stick, gray peel and stick tile, because the flooring that's in it is disgustingly gross and I don't want to have to pull it up. But I have to have the bathroom floor fixed before I can put new anything down. So because the flooring is worse in the bathroom due to somebody not doing what she was supposed to do, and I'm just going to leave it at that. So we actually came in here for an extension cord, fuses, and a Dremel chuck. They don't have any in stock, so I have to improvise because we got our modem in today and it needs to go in a cabinet, so I needed a Dremel chuck to drill a hole. So I just have a cutting wheel set that I'm just going to cut out a square and be done with it. So on to the next adventure. Tomorrow we get a new surprise. Okay, so it's not a surprise to me and it's not a surprise to Chris, but we think that we're going to trade in our Honda CR-V, which is a 1999, and get a 2007 PT Cruiser. Something with us living, 30 minutes from town, it's not that Mavis, which is the name of our CR-V, not that Mavis is bad on gas mileage. It's just that we come into town at least 3 times a week, especially if we're going to do the gym. So it's smaller than this, but bigger than our Chevy Spark. If you'd like to know why we no longer have this, leave me a comment down below. So hopefully it passes its compression test, and if it does, we're getting it tomorrow. When we got there, it had already been started for the day, but what they don't do is they don't let them run for more than 5 or 6 minutes. So when we got in it to start it, it would turn over, but it wouldn't stay running. So the mechanic got in it and turned it on, and he was able to make it run, and with it running a few minutes, it was fine. So I wonder if there was some condensation in the gas tank or something. So they're going to run a compression test to make sure it's not a head or the head gasket. So tomorrow, if it comes out that it passes its compression test, we'll be picking it up tomorrow. Not that we don't love Mavis, but we need a newer vehicle, especially if we're gonna. We need a newer word vomit. We need a newer vehicle that's going to get better gas mileage, especially if we plan on traveling in it. You know, Mavis needs work. Mavis is 20 years old. I mean, come on. For a car, that's old. Our camper is 40 this year, so, yeah. So, tomorrow, if I don't finish this vlog tonight, I will pick up the camera in the morning and start. If I don't edit this tonight and upload it tonight, I will add in the footage of the car tomorrow. But if we ended up just shutting this video down tonight and ending it, I'll vlog again tomorrow. So I'm trying to get on a better schedule, at least twice a week. That's not always possible, especially if we don't go anywhere, because you don't want me to, you don't want to see me inside my trailer doing absolutely nothing. So Hubz is back. Alright guys, I'm going to leave you with my favorite part of driving home. This is the bridge over Mayfield Lake in Mossy Rock, Washington. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below telling me what you'd like to see next. You know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't, ring the bell so you know, and we'll see you in our next video.